How to get insights from your competitor's website using UXtweak. Would you like to analyze your competitor's products to uncover what they're doing better? Or do you want to simply test your website's usability without installations into GTM or accessing your site's code? Use our UXtweak Chrome extension. Here's how it works. First, you start a new website testing study, customize the study parameters, and set up the URL of your or your competitor's website. Give testers some tasks that reflect common user activities and ask them questions to see how they deal with the tasks and how they felt during the testing. Once you finish the study setup, choose an option to use UXtweak Chrome extension to see how testers behave on your or your competitor's site. Click the Launch button and share your study with your testers. A tester opens the invitation link from their device that will get them to your study. They will be prompted to install the browser extension and directed to the Chrome Web Store, where they can do so with just one click. When the extension is installed, testers will be let into your study to complete the tasks on your competitor's website. Once the study has finished, you will be able to review the results, analyze user behavior, evaluate their feedback, and on the basis of that, improve your website user experience. Gain competitive edge thanks to UXtweak Chrome extension.